How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So you might have realized that every time you just try to take a picture or record a video by using your Nothing Phone 1, you probably heard about these sounds, right? If you take a pictures and if you just press on the shutter button, you might see it makes the sounds. It happens the same when you just try to record a video by pressing or just tapping the shutter button. Now, this is a good feature though, but some people found this is pretty annoying on their Nothing Phone 1. So here in today's video, I'll walk you through how easily and simply you can turn it off and on at the same time. If you want to turn it off, the first thing that you gotta do, you gotta open up your camera settings, or let's say the camera application on your device there. And now if you're on the video and pictures, it doesn't matter, you can tap on this arrow looking icon on top of your Nothing Phone 1. Just simply tap on there. This is going to show you the three dot line, or just simply three dot, press in there, and here you will be able to see this option called shutter sounds. Now if you disable this option or toggle this off here, if you get back to your camera either for pictures or videos, if you take pictures, now what's going to happen, you're going to be able to see, well, now there is no sounds available. Now if you want to just turn off these features temporarily, you can use a little cool hacks. Well, if you want to use the shutter sounds on your camera, but if you want to disable it temporarily, then you can actually do it without even turning off these features. All you guys can do before you take any pictures or videos, all you guys can do is just go ahead and press that volume down button. Now tap on the three dot line here, and then they're going to show you this option. Just go ahead and disable this option called media volume and just turn up or just put it down your ring and notification volume. Now if you get out of here, you open your camera, if you try to take any pictures or if you try to take any videos, what's going to happen, your shutter sounds is no longer be available on your camera. So in this way you guys can turn on and off the shutter sounds on your Nothing Phone 1. Hope you find this video useful. If you think so, drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll talk to you later. Peace out.